the image measures 45 millimetres in length. The actual length is 0.015 millimetres long. Calculate the magnification. So I'm trying to find the magnification. So I cover that, and that leaves me with image size divided by actual size. So magnification, the thing I'm finding, I cover that up with my hand, and that leaves me with image size over actual size. So that's the equation I'm going to write out. Magnification is image size over actual size. The image size was 45 millimetres, and the actual size was 0.015 millimetres. So just type that into a calculator or do it in my head. And the magnification is times 3000. So the important thing with this calculation is to get both of those in the same unit. They were given to me both in millimetres in the question, so that's good. And magnification doesn't have a unit. It's just how many times something has been multiplied. Okay, next question. We have a photograph of a bacterial cell is shown in a textbook. The magnification is times 10,000, and the image measures 25 millimetres. Calculate the actual length in micrometres. So I'm trying to calculate the actual size. So I'm going to cover up this part of the equation triangle, and that leaves me with image size over magnification. So I'm going to write that down. Actual size is the image size over magnification. And I'm going to do 25 millimetres over 10,000 because that's given in the question. The image measures 25 millimetres. The magnification was 10,000. And that's going to give me 0.0025 millimetres. And you can convert it to micrometres if you want. And its actual size is 2.5 micrometres. And another example, we've got a drawing of a human red blood cell with an actual diameter of 7 micrometres. The diagram has been drawn at a magnification of times 2000. Calculate the image diameter in millimetres. Okay, so I'm in micrometres here and I need my answer in millimetres. So I'm going to have to do a bit of a calculation to get my units the same. So the image size is what I'm trying to find. So cover that up, and that leaves me with actual size times the magnification. So if we do the magnification, which was 2000, times by the actual size, 7 micrometres, the image size is 14,000 micrometres. And 14,000 micrometres is equal to 14 millimetres. So the image diameter is 14 millimetres.